Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing types of questions that generally come from this chapter. Let us start recapitulating the techniques once again. I am not discussing the initial beginning part of this chapter, that is the elements, types of elements, difference between compounds and mixture. Those part I am not highlighting today. Today let us discuss about the techniques and the types of questions from this part. Now suppose we have done filtration, distillation, sublimation, evaporation, these kinds of techniques. Now the question may arise that whether to learn entire process or not. The answer is no, absolutely not. The question will not come that describe the filtration process or draw any diagram. There is no question on drawing. Once again I am repeating, no drawing type of question from this chapter. Secondly, no descriptive types of question. The questions will carry 1 mark. Every question will carry 1 mark. You all know in class 6 also I took your class at the first 6 months. In the first 6 months I took your class. So at the beginning that time also I said there is no descriptive type of question which is there in syllabus. So we have only 1 mark type of question. In fact, the give reason type of question that comes like why water is a compound whereas air is a mixture. So if this type of question comes, so why water is a compound is a 1 mark question and why air is a mixture is 1 mark question. If difference comes, like difference between mixture and compound, for each point of difference there is 1 mark. So if it is asked that write 3 differences, in that case 3 marks will be given. So from this technique parts, the question may ask to you that write the principle involved in filtration process, or what is the principle of evaporation method. So how to write? So what is the filtration process principle? So answer will be when there is a mixture of a solid and a liquid and the solid is insoluble in liquid, then filtration process is used. You can add that by using a funnel and a filter paper. This much is your answer. Now evaporation. What is the principle of evaporation? When there is a mixture of solid and liquid and the solid is soluble in the liquid, by evaporating the solution or by heating the solution, the solvent gets evaporated and the solid left behind. That is the principle for evaporation. Or simply you can write the principle for evaporation is it is applied for those types of mixtures where solid is soluble in liquid and they can be separated by the process of evaporation. That also can be possible. Now the question may ask what kinds of mixtures are separated by using separating funnel. See the question, what kind of mixture, not the example. Example will be different question. What kind of mixture? So when there are 2 liquids and the liquids are immiscible in each other, then separating funnel is used. So principle if you are doing and this what type of mixture, these answers are very similar. Clear? So if you are doing principle, this mixture, these answers become very clear to you all. Now if the question asks give example of a mixture which is separated by sublimation process, then you will write mixture of iodine and sand. But if it is asked that what type of mixture is separated using sublimation method, then you will write mixture where one of the component is sublimable and another is not. This is the answers. Now it is clear the type of question. Now you can ask that then why we have done so much of descriptions and why I have explained you all the methods, experiments why I have shown you. Because if you don't know the experiment, if you have not, if you don't visualize the experiment, it will be difficult to understand. That is why I showed those videos or those clips of different experiments, just so that you can understand the thing. Because until unless you understand, you cannot solve the problems. Now, this is some type of question like what is the principle? What is example by this method which is separated, what type of mixture is separated by this technique. Fourth, that is the most common one, the mixtures will be given to you. You need to say that which method is used where. Now can be given as sand and salt, sand and common salt, can be given as oil and water, pigments of ink, then maybe ethanol and methanol, that is ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Now these mixtures are given to you. Now you need to answer, write the technique involved. Write the technique involved is a question and you will get 1 mark for it. So do not describe. First question, sand and common salt. You need to understand that sand and common salt, both of them are solid, and both of them, if you add in this mixture, if you add in water, salt will get dissolved and sand will not dissolve. So this will be solvent extraction using water, or solvent extraction in bracket water. So you need to write solvent in bracket water extraction. So solvent extraction, in this way you need to write. Always mention the solvent here. Oil and water. So you will write using separating funnel. Third is pigments of ink. Chromatography or paper chromatography. Fourth is ethanol and methanol, fractional distillation. So this is the way of writing the answers. Next day, I am not taking this taking the test on this immediately. Next day, some more question answers we will discuss, and today also I am adding certain question answers with this class. You check the download section and download those question answers, so it will be easy for you to understand that how the answers are being written. So see you in the next class. Keep revising, and remember, these are very simple chapters. Next week we will be revising because we are going to complete chapter 3, means almost completed, and from the beginning part of this chapter also some question and answers we will be discussing. And once again watch those videos, once again watch those experiments to understand properly. Take care and bye.